Welcome back to the channel or Facebook page, and if you want to hit subscribe and or like, that would be greatly helpful. Well, I'm not in the Adirondacks technically, just south of the Adirondacks. I'm in Moreau Lake State Park, just off of exit 17 of the Adirondack Northway. And those not familiar, it's the interstate highway that runs north-south across eastern New York. I'm a bit north of Saratoga Springs and probably about 45 minutes or so north of Albany. It's a state park of a little over 3,000 acres, lots of hiking here. We've got ice fishing in the winter, fishing in the summer, kayaking, super popular place in the summer. You've got obviously hiking, camping, picnicking. There's a beach over here, which is very, very popular. This time of year, a little more mellow, but they do have programs going on throughout the year. And I'm actually going to one in a short time on the secret life of beavers. Beavers always fascinated me, and going to go check out, see if I can find out more about these amazing and tenacious critters. In addition to the lecture series, the Nature Center at Moreau Lake State Park has live exhibits of some owls, some turtles, snakes, and other pelts that you can touch and feel and interact with and check out. All animals that might be found around upstate New York and through the Adirondacks and at Moreau Lake State Park. But the real star of the show today is Bo the Beaver, rescued as just a little baby, few days old, rehabilitated by Wild for Life by Alexis Brose LaRoche.
So we've been rehabilitating beavers now just for 2 years. We don't just take in beavers at Wild for Life Inc. We take in all different species. We'll triage just about anything. But beavers are the main focus because, just they're the heart of the wetland, and that's what we love to protect. Some of our success stories, we were able to release 2 bonded pairs of adults back to the wild. But really our education program, I think in that outreach, you can save 1 beaver at a time. It takes about 2 years to rehabilitate a baby beaver from the time they come in as an orphaned, injured, or sickly baby to the time of release. It's a very long time investment. And what we can do through education and outreach is really, by creating a love and appreciation for beavers, save millions. It's not, the one at a time isn't the most practical way. We love these animals, so we're willing to invest that time into them. But having Bo at educational events like this and being able to create a love and respect and stewardship for nature really is the main success, I think.
So tell me about Bo and his social media status, and he's going to become famous, right?
Yeah, Bo already has a little bit of fame, and I think she knows it. She has over 1 million followers across all platforms, all
Wow.
just based on just the incredible things that beavers do for the environment. She is our environmental superhero, and we talk a lot about how beavers create wetland habitat and provide homes for thousands of species. She was rescued when she was just a newborn baby, so the relationship that people have been able to have with her online since she was very small is a unique thing. And a lot of the ways that they get to see and experience Bo swimming under the water in her ponds in a way where she is able to act as a wild beaver should and does. She has even though she's in captivity, she has a very wild and enriched life, and we can bring people right into that world with her underwater. So that's the exciting thing. That's her online, that is her bread and butter. She will be in an upcoming documentary for PBS in 2027. And then we're also in the works of a documentary called Wild for Life, Bo the Beaver and Me. Bo the Beaver and Me.
Oh, okay.
And that doesn't have a date yet, but it is going to be a story just about her rescue and what, the work that she does for beavers everywhere and what beavers are accomplishing nationwide for fighting climate change and fighting wildfires. And
She's an escape artist too, I see. So it's just like having a toddler.
Yeah.
Probably a little mischievous.
Yeah, it's like having a toddler that'll never grow up. Bo could be with me until she's 30 years old. They're extremely long-lived, family-oriented rodents. And if you want to learn more about her story, you can follow us online at Wild for Life Inc. on Facebook, wildforlife.alexis on Instagram, and wildforlifeinc.org, our website.
Great. Thank you very much. It was excellent.
Thanks.